Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's still MOSHEH TV here again. Like as you can see in the signpost over there, I'm currently filming the Ekwulobia ongoing construction of stadium. So this is my first time of actually visiting this particular location since this stadium or construction of this stadium started. So this is my first visitation, and from this video you're gonna see the level of work they have done so far on this particular stadium. The auditorium, the football pitch, the athletics track, and everything, including the other attached rooms or building at the behind, and everything. You're gonna be seeing everything in this video. It's a full swing. So upon my visitation, the fencing has been completed. The the entrance, which is the gate, has also been completed. They have put everything in order over there. So the design of the gate has been put in place, and it's looking pretty nice. So when I accessed the inside, I saw that the football pitch is already undergoing some designs. They are currently doing some sort of work on the football pitch. So the marked for the pitch has already been made, so they are currently working on it. The day I even visited this location, I saw that trucks were bringing in sand to fill up the pitch for the designing and the rest. Then the athletic track, which is the running track, is also undergoing its own. They are all moving together with the football pitch. So the space for the running track was provided. This is a kind of a stadium that contains athletic track, football pitch, and auditorium. So there is this type of stadium they are currently building over here. So this is the lookups, everything. That small dwarf fence is what demarcated all this angle from the football pitch and the running tracks. So you can see the sand, the chippings, and everything that has been put in place for for the construction. So when I visited, they are working on it, and the work is for me, the work is moving very fast. And from this angle you can see the auditorium where people are being seated, that is already at the final stage. Very soon all those bamboos will be removed, and the covering of the roof will commence, and the plastering and the other things will also flow up. So this is the looks of the running tracks, the football pitch, and the rest. You can see some sticks they put there. That is kind of the measurement and everything. So they are currently working on it. The work is pretty moving, and from what I'm seeing, or from what I saw when I visited, if the work continues this way, I believe maybe by April next year, the stadium will be opened up for people to be used. So this is the looks of everything. So you can watch through the video and see others for yourself. So by the time we go behind the other back, by the entrance side, you're gonna be seeing all the attached building, the building that was attached, maybe changing rooms and any other thing. So you're gonna be seeing everything. This is the look of the auditorium. So this is how it is looking. Even some bamboos is currently being pulled down from some sections, so you can see. So very soon the roof will start going up. So this is all we have for you. So you keep watching the videos to see other things for yourself. And as you are watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on the like button, and click on the notification button also, and don't forget to comment what you feel about the stadium. Is it a welcome development or not? So this is the update we have for you guys. Do watch the video till the end to see everything for yourself.